वेलकम। तो हम लोग यहाँ आए हैं, आप लोगों को पता ही है कि एल की तरफ से यहाँ पे बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज होंगी, बहुत सारा कुछ हम लोग सीखेंगे। तो आप सब एक्साइटेड हैं? ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। जैसा कि आप सबको पता ही है, मेरा नाम आरती है और मैं कुछ पब्लिक क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी। इसमें आप लोग का ओपिनियन देना होगा कि आप क्या सोचते हैं, क्या चेंजेस होने चाहिए इसको लेकर के। सो आर यू एक्साइटेड? आर यू रेडी गाइस? ओके।
Sir, my name is Krishna Singh.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. What about you?
कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं आप? एल की तरफ से
Actually,
यहाँ आए हैं हम लोग।
I'm feeling very excitement and this is very cool day because if we see the usual day that was very sunny, so it was cool.
Okay, so आप excited हैं?
Yes, I'm
Activities
excited.
के लिए?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm very excited.
So my question is that is a vegetarian diet healthier than a non-vegetarian?
Yes, absolutely. Because if you see the multiple like Tarzan of India, so it will also implies only the natural and also the vegetarian. So that is why I'm thinking if you have the vegetarian diet, then it will be compulsory and it will be good for you. Because in my opinion, I'm following the Sanatan Dharma, so it is prohibited in Sanatan.
Thank you.
Thank
You
you.
are feeling shy, I think.
No, I'm not feeling sad.
You're confident?
The question is very hectic, you know.
Okay, okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
Hello sir, what's your name?
Mohammad Aman Ansari.
How are you?
Fine.
How are you feeling that you are now part of AIL?
Good.
Okay, so my question is that would you trust someone who doesn't like golgappe?
I don't eat golgappe.
No. अगर आपको ऐसा भरोसा कर सकते हैं कि आज के जनरेशन में कोई गोलगप्पे नहीं खाता है?
No.
ऐसा मतलब मैक्सिमम लोग खाते हैं।
जी।
Okay sir, thank you. Hello sir,
Hello.
what's your name?
My name is Suryansh.
You are looking so excited sir.
Yeah.
What is the reason behind this?
Of course, I am the reason behind it.
Okay, so sir, okay, my question is that should the voting age be lowered to 16?
No, I don't think. I think what's the matter is that the power of thinking. What I have seen that those who are 40 and even though those who are 60, they don't know why they're just voting. They're just voting just the name of the caste and the religion. So there should not be any limit. What I believe, there should be any like parameter that you can think. If you can think that why just giving the vote, that
Any
you can
thinking
answer.
ability you can.
Yeah, thinking ability should be
Okay sir,
required.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello sir, what's your name?
My name is Ankit Singh.
How are you?
I am good. What
कैसा
about
महसूस
you?
कर रहे हैं आप एल की एक्टिविटीज का हिस्सा बनके?
I am feeling very good.
Okay, so I have a question for you sir. Can you survive without smartphones for a week?
If
Sir, what do you think that development level is increasing day by day in Ayodhya or not?
yeah, it is. If you can see in last 2 or 3 years, we can see the road was being constructed. Now it is going on like it is still going on the like development in Ayodhya. So it creates it attracts a lot of tourism and the others to come in Ayodhya. So for development of Ayodhya, it's a very good thing according to me.
Okay sir, thank you. So what's your name sir?
My name is Shridanshu.
Okay, ma'am, tell me something about yourself.
My name is Shreya Sahu.
Yeah.
I am from Ayodhya.
Yeah.
I am pursuing graduation from Awadh University.
Okay, ma'am, I want to ask one question.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask one question. What is more important, money or happiness, according to you?
I think money and happiness they have own matlab place in their everyone's life, but I think money can buy everything except happiness. पैसा हैप्पीनेस नहीं खरीद सकता, लेकिन वो खुशी देने वाली सारी चीजें खरीद सकता है. सो my personal opinion is money is most important.
According to you, if you have a money, you earn the everything. In fact, you have a lot of money, but you have not happy according to related to money. Then how you buy happiness?
If I have money, I am already happy.
If the people get the lot of money, they happy according to you?
I think happiness मतलब खुशी देने वाली सब चीज़ें हैं. I mean रिलेशनशिप हो गया और एक वो ट्रिप करते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं, तो उन सब से उसको खुशी मिलती है. अब वो अंदर वाली खुशी की बात वो तो इंसान अपने अंदर से ही लाएगा ना.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Hello,
How are you?
I'm good. What about
Ma'am,
you? I want to ask one question about Ayodhya.
Sure, why not?
Are you interested?
Yeah, I'm very interested.
I want to ask a question. Is Ayodhya really developing?
Why not? Yeah,
Actually, when I was in my childhood, so I came to Ayodhya.
Okay.
So that time it was too dirty
Yeah.
and construction was too bad.
Okay.
But now when I came Ayodhya, so it is totally different. And I suggest everyone that we should come Ayodhya for explore. There are many things we can explore. Lord Rama Temple, Kanak Bhavan, Guptar Ghat. So and I'm so happy that I born in Ayodhya. So I think Ayodhya is developing day by day.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Some people have said that कि ये सब दिखावा है. तो according to you, it's really working?
मैम दिखावा वो बोलते हैं जो बाहर से जज कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
I live in Ayodhya and I explore every day.
Okay.
So I know that what is the reality of inner side of Ayodhya. So I think वो जो दिखावा बोलते हैं वो रूमर्स फैलाते हैं वो सोशल मीडिया का वर्क है. बट हम लोग यहाँ के लोकल लोग हैं तो हम लोग बता सकते हैं कि डेवलपमेंट लेवल कितना बढ़ा है अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रीवियस टाइम.
You happy? You are living in Ayodhya?
I am so happy and I am grateful to that I born in Ayodhya.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for joining me. Okay. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
What's your name?
My name is Charlie Mishra.
Ma'am, I want to ask one question. Are you interested?
Yeah.
Okay. Should boy and girl friendship be allowed by their own parents or not?
I think it should allowed because in मतलब I think अलग अलग अगर हम अलग अलग अपने बैच लाइक इन आवर बैच हम अलग अलग तरीके के लोगों से अलग अलग जेंडर के लोगों से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं तो हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल भी बढ़ता है और हमें ये पता चलता है कि वो क्या सोचते हैं, उनका प्रोस्पेक्टिव, उनका सोचने का तरीका और ये सारी चीज़ें मैटर करती हैं हमारे लिए. और हम ऐसी सोसाइटी में रहते हैं जहाँ गर्ल्स और बॉयज़ दोनों को इक्वालिटी देनी चाहिए.
Okay.
तो और इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि दोनों को फ्रेंडशिप में रहना चाहिए.
According to me, it's not big point to give the permission for a friendship. So thank you, ma'am, for joining me.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, tell me something about yourself.
My name is Shivangi Dwivedi.
Okay.
I'm from Ayodhya and I'm pursuing BTC course.
Okay, ma'am, I want to ask one question related to Ayodhya. Are you interested?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me which place do you like the most in Ayodhya and why?
Ma'am, I like whole Ayodhya. Firstly, I want to go Ram Temple and after that I went Kanak Bhavan. I want to go Kanak Bhavan and I want to visit whole Ayodhya. I like most.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for joining me.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Shivangi.
Ma'am, I want to ask one question related to Ayodhya. Which place do you like the most in Ayodhya and why?
आई लाइक द मोस्ट गुप्ता घाट. इवन यहाँ पर हम जहाँ पर एग्जैक्ट खड़े हैं यही मेरा फेवरेट जगह है जहाँ क्योंकि यहाँ पर जब भी हम आते हैं यहाँ पर हमें बहुत ज़्यादा शांति और बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ के एनवायरनमेंट.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for joining.